Namaste everyone, my name is Hina Dhabai and welcome to my channel Pi Pronounce India. Well, today's topic is how we can learn any new language within few weeks. Well, before starting to learn any new language, first of all you have to understand why do you have to learn new language. Well, there is a significant reasons that you have to learn any new language. Let me speak something in Hindi for you. मेरा नाम हीना धाबाई है, मैं भारत में रहती हूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सब लोग भारत जरूर आए. Get anything? Okay. Well, basically what I said was in Hindi, but I clearly know you didn't understand anything. That's the reason you have to learn something new language to understand what other person is saying in other language. Well, it is scientifically proven that if you learn any new language, then it will definitely help you to improve your brain and your memorization techniques. So if you want to improve your brain exercises and plus you will learn one new language, then learning new language is definitely a best option for you. Learning new language is a wonderful experience. Just in case, suppose you learn Hindi, well in future if you decide to come to India, then you will feel clearly very pleasant that you are speaking some Hindi word and you understand what localites are speaking to you. Well, without wasting any time, here are the basic tips how you can learn any other language very fastly and very quickly and even in very fluent way. Here are the tips. You must follow the tips and then comment below that did you find that article and that video important or not. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon, because bell icon will help you. If next time I post my video, you will get the notification that I have posted some interesting Hindi video. So please click on the bell icon and subscribe. Well, before starting, first you have to select which language you want to learn. Well, my native language is Hindi and I can speak English also a bit, but still I am trying to learn Spanish language. If you are a person who knows Spanish language, then comment below something in Spanish because I am trying to learning that language. Here is the statistics that which language you have to learn. Chinese is the first language just because of the population. China people are so many in quantity, so Chinese is the first language which is spoken widely in large level. Second is the English. Second is the English language which is widely very common and we all know a bit. Third language is Hindi. Well, I feel proud that Hindi is on the third level, on the topmost level. Fourth language is Spanish and fifth language is Arabic. So here's the top 5 language from which you can select what language you want to speak or what language you want to learn in future. Must select one new language which you don't know, because learning new language is very good activity for your brain. Well, I will definitely suggest you to learn Hindi because Hindi is the most pure and most empathic language. Well, if you ever plan to come to India, there are so many mountains, desert, cool people, so much culture and nature. So if you are planning to come to India, then you must know Hindi language, na? So I will suggest you learning Hindi language. Well, on the I icon, I am putting the link where you can speak common Hindi words. After that video, must try to play that video and its words also. The next tip is don't directly jump to the main language directly. Well, learning a new language can be a complex process, so do not try to mix it very hardly. Just try to speak common words which they usually try to speak. Like in Hindi, we call our mother Ma. What? Ma. So basically it's just a common word which you can also easily say. Just try to speak after me, Ma. So that's the Hindi pronunciation of the mother. So don't try to jumble up the words, just learn the basic pronunciations because that will help you so much in learning a new language. Do not try to speak so much at a time, just learn small sentences, what words they use in daily routine, that will help you much better. Just try to search topmost Hindi words used in India topmost common words in Spanish language, topmost common words in Chinese language. So these words can help you more in understanding a new language. The next beneficial point is you can't learn one new language on by yourself. You will need some other person with whom you can talk in that language. Well, if I want to improve my English, then I must have someone with whom I can talk in English language. So basically, if you are trying to learn any new language, then you must have someone with whom you can talk in that new language. So basically, it is not possible every time to have someone with whom you can talk in that new language. So here are the few points. You can use Skype calls. There are so many people in other countries, like in India also there are so many people who can help you on a Skype call to understand or speak Hindi language. So you can make sure to use Skype call. The other option is you can join other communities. There are so many Facebook pages, Instagram pages where you can join the groups to learn Hindi, to learn Spanish, to learn French. There are multiple groups, so you can join any group and you will find so many similar kind of people who are trying to learn new language or who are trying to help you in learning in new language. So basically, by joining the group or by using the Skype calls, you can talk to someone in other language with their help. Well, I am putting my FB link here. Basically, I try to teach Hindi on daily basis at there. So basically, you have to just follow me there. I will teach you Hindi in very fluent way. The next important point is you have to learn sing in other language. Well, basically, there is no requirement to be a very sweet person in singing. Well, I am not a singer. I can't sing well. But still, there is a saying, song has no language. Well, basically, that is completely true. Song do not consider any language. It just has its music and its rhythm. So basically, if you want to learn any new language, just try to listen their famous songs. You can hear Bollywood songs or Hindi songs. Basically, music is the point which can capture your hearing ability most fastly. So basically, remembering the rhythm is most easy other than remembering the words. So basically, try to remember the rhythm and then just you have to sing the song just according to the lyrics, like Despacito. Well, I don't know the other lyrics of it because that song is very complex, but still I have attraction for the song. It is in Spanish language, so basically song is the option which can teach you other language in very fast and fluent way. And again, music has no language, so it is the best point to learn any new language. Well, if you have learned some basic concepts clearly, then here is the expertise level. If you want to be an expert person in the new language, then now you have to start writing the language. Basically, writing is the complex level because there are so many symbols, different symbols, so much different kind of structure from your own native language. So writing is the expertise level. First you have to try speak the language, then you should go to the writing level because writing is just an upper level. So speaking is the most important thing, and if you have learned some basic words and some basic sentences in other language, then now you have to start writing the language. And there is one special benefit in writing the language. It can be your code language. Like if you know Hindi and you want to write some other person who also know Hindi, and around you no one knows Hindi, then it will be your code language. So it is the plus point of learning new language. The next important aspect is download the dictionary. Well, downloading the dictionary will help you to understand the new language very fastly. Like if you are going to market and if you see suppose banana or mango, you know banana or mango, it is in English, but you want to know what does it call in Hindi. So basically mango is the aam. Okay, so basically just by surfing the internet or the dictionary, you will at present know the meaning of the mango in Hindi, which is aam. And if you are the good person in remembering things, then it will help you to remember so many words on daily basis very easily. So just download the dictionary, it will definitely help you. It's a pro tip. Well, the next important thing is the pronunciation. pronunciations. Basically, all of the people makes there a big mistake. Well, you can learn a new language. It is quite possible. But getting the quick pronunciation like the people, it is quite a big task. Basically, you can learn Hindi, but pronouncing like Indian people can be a tough task for you. So now, after learning the words and clearing your sentences, now you have to make concentration on your pronunciations. You have to try to speak the words again and again. You have to ask to native people or on a Skype calls or on Facebook, what does it call clearly? So basically now you have to learn the pronunciation, that how do I can speak the word more clearly, which can be more understandable by the native person. So now you have to make more clearance about your pronunciation. Well, my name is Hina, but most of people just got it wrong and they call me Henna. Well, it's not Henna, it's Hina. Now, the most important tip, don't be afraid, okay? Don't afraid to fail. Don't afraid that I will be look like a fool person if I am talking wrong. Well, there is not something like this. If you want to learn something new, so it's a brave step that you are willingly learning something new. Well, I am learning Spanish and I don't even know how to speak it clearly, but I am not afraid. I will learn it one day. So you have to make a promise to yourself that you will learn that language and one day you will be fluent in that language. So basically, just pick a language, just try to pronounce it, just try to speak it. Don't feel like a low level. One day you will be fluent, like just you have picked Hindi. One day you are coming to India with your friends or your family, and at there you are speaking to Indian people in some broken Hindi, but still you will be the only one who can speak some bits of that language. So basically, don't be afraid, just try to speak, because every big journey starts from a single step. Well, that's a big thought. You just have to learn one word a day. That will help you a lot. Well, these all were the basic tips how you can learn any new language in a faster way. I hope that video was useful for you. If you liked that video and still if you are viewing that video, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Otherwise, you will not get the notification that I am uploading my video. And if you are interested in learning a new language, then comment below. I will be so happy to know that you want to learn something new. Other than these all tips, here are some few tips also. Just try to remember 5 new words in a new language. It will definitely help you. Learning 5 words on daily basis, it's not a big task. Well, here I am uploading my playlist where I have uploaded so many Hindi words. If you are interested to learn Hindi, then you can click there. Other option is you can talk to the native people. Most important option is hearing. Well, before speaking, you have to hear clearly. So be a good listener. Just try to clear your pronunciation. Just try to speak on daily basis. Just try to make friends from the country from where you are learning a new language. That will definitely help you. Well, these all were the basic tips which can definitely help you. Well, I am putting my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter links where you can find me. My name is Hina Dhabai and the channel's name is Pronounce India Pi. Well, basically this was the video where I was teaching you. Now I am signing out. Namaste. Thank you.